Hey, what's up, guys? It's me, Josh. I'm on my way to another closing, third closing of the year. This is a property in Cedar Park that I'm purchasing. This is one I'm keeping for myself. We're going to renovate it and then resell it hopefully in the spring. Renovation should take about, I don't know, maybe 2-3 months, something like this. It shouldn't be too bad. But yeah, reason I'm doing a video on this is a property that we're gonna make $100,000 on. I'm gonna make $100,000 on it. And that's easy 100. That's me being conservative with everything. So yeah, Cedar Park, numbers surrounding it: 90K purchase, 90 to 100 in rehab, and ARV is low to mid threes, like 325, 350 ish. So, and like I said, that's me being conservative. That being said, there's like no inventory out there as far as like on the retail side. So on the MLS, I see hardly anything. In addition, the stuff that I get sent to me from like other wholesalers, a lot of it just doesn't make sense. And I get buyers asking me daily, like, "Hey, do you have any deals? Do you have any deals? Do you have any deals?" I mean, this is why I transitioned into teaching, is to teach people how to do what I do, teach people how to source their own inventory. I mean, in a time when it's like, where there's like no inventory, don't you think it would make sense to be able to actually know how to acquire and know how to do everything on your own and not be dependent on anyone else, whether that be, other agents with pocket listings or, other wholesalers or anything of that nature? Because right now, if you don't know how to source your own inventory, you're either A, overpaying, or B, your business is just at a standstill or a slowdown. Neither of those are good for business. So yeah, like I said, I teach this. This is what I do. I'm going to make $100,000 on this property that I'm buying today. It's my third closing this year. One was a wholesale deal, one was a retail transaction, and this one's one that I am keeping to renovate to resell. I mean, I think that there's some type of benefit in that. So yeah, anyways, I hope everyone's having a great day. Be productive, happy hunting, and most of all, I hope everyone, is successful today. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.